Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Fidelity 529 to your student expenses plan, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect your Fidelity 529 account to your student expenses plan, start by logging into your Fidelity account. Navigate to the 529 College Savings Plan section on the dashboard. Select the option to manage or access your 529 account details. Review the available options to withdraw funds or make payments for educational expenses. Choose Withdraw Funds or Pay Educational Expenses, depending on the interface. Make sure to gather the necessary information about your student expenses plan. This typically includes the name of the institution, the student's enrollment status, and the types of expenses covered. Select the amount you wish to withdraw from your Fidelity 529 account. Review the types of eligible expenses, such as tuition, fees, or textbooks. Ensure you are selecting expenses that comply with IRS guidelines for tax-free withdrawals. Fill in the details required for the transaction, including the payee and their information. If necessary, attach any required documentation that supports your expenses claim. Double-check all details for accuracy before submitting the transaction. Once submitted, confirm that you receive a confirmation of the transaction. Keep a record of the confirmation for your future reference. Ensure you monitor your account to track the status of your withdrawal or payment. If you encounter any issues, reach out to Fidelity's customer support for assistance. Follow up with your educational institution to verify that the payment has been received. This process will help ensure that your Fidelity 529 funds are connected to your student expenses effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.